how to upload high quality video on TikTok. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to, of course, open our TikTok app. And then once we open our TikTok app, the next thing that we need to do is to click the plus button on the bottom middle part of the screen. So click that. And then once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to just upload the video that we want to use or just record a video right here. And then once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to click on the next button, which is right here. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to click on more options. And then in this part, just scroll down until you see allow high quality uploads. So make sure that you enable that. And then after that, once you're now done with this, just click on post right here. And then after that, your videos will now be uploaded into high quality on TikTok. However, if your video is not on high quality, the next thing that we need to do is to, of course, go into our profile right here and then click the three horizontal line on the upper right corner of the screen. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to click on settings and privacy. What we're going to do right here is to just scroll down until you see data saver. So click on data saver right here and make sure that data saver is turned off. So if it is turned on, all you have to do is to turn it off. And then the last thing that we can do is to go into our camera. So open your camera right here. So once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to just click on video share and then just look for the quality of your video right there. So make sure that the size is on max. Same goes for the FPS so that we can have the highest quality that we can use on our phone. So once you do that, that is basically it. That is how to upload high quality video on TikTok.